Let's go to the Bible in Proverbs 14 verse 12. The Bible does not lie. Amen. That is why there is a path before each person that seems right, but it ends to death. So you see, even the great kings before, King Solomon, the smartest, the wisest king of all time, and he even admitted nga kaning ato ang mga desisyon sa kinabuhi abi natog insakto, pero unsa galito ingon sa Bible, it ends to death. It ends to destruction. Remember, God's will would lead to life, but our desire would lead to death or the path to destruction. Muna mga igsuon, be careful kay abi natog insakto, pero di ay to dili na makaayo kanato. Daghan ra ba kay tag desisyon aning kinabuhia nga abi natog insakto pero dili di ay to insakto. You have to check, you have to coordinate, you have to commune, you have to ask the Lord, you have to have a solid, serious prayer nga, Lord, tabangi ko Lord kay mura ra ba ning insakto akong desisyon.